All right, so this is how it's looking. Please don't judge or do. Honestly, that's what this video is for. We are going to be organizing some stuff. That's how that's looking. Yeah, so hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Please like, comment, and subscribe on this video to just encourage me to do more. But in today's video, I am going to be cleaning out my refrigerator. It's been a long time coming since I've actually cleaned this refrigerator, and just stay tuned for more videos like this on resetting my whole house, one room at a time. And yeah, just enjoy this video.
Wonder who you think playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Sweat change, but I know that the end is too unseen. Maybe no trust you. You ain't been ever once. Got tired of losing you almost to my eyes. Don't say your name. Continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? And you know what you got is good, that's why. You refuse to let me walk out the light. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time. You keep wasting my time.
I can make all the excuses in the world, but I feel like this is honestly not an excuse, not even a good excuse to have to having like a dirty, refrigerator. Yes, I know I have a lot of kids. It's 2 adults in the household. We kind of have a semi larger family. I feel like we have a larger family. Not the biggest, but we do have a larger family. And I feel like cleaning the refrigerator should be like one of the top things to do like per week, as in like just, wiping anything that spills when it happened, or, getting rid of the stuff that you don't eat or drink on a weekly basis. But honestly, I cannot even remember the last time I cleaned my refrigerator. And that is definitely not a flex. It's really embarrassing. But yeah, I think this is the last time I'm going to get it looking like that, because even though I go in the refrigerator every day, make meals, etc., I feel like I should not be skipping out on, you know, cleaning the refrigerator. Like, honestly, look at this. This is just definitely is a no-go. At the bottom is where I have my meats and my cheeses. As you can see, there's some meats. I'm sorry, I'm trying not to laugh because it's so ridiculous. Some meat down there is not, I don't know if it's expired or not, but it's definitely frozen and is definitely embarrassing. Yeah, so I pretty much just took everything out the refrigerator and I wiped it down, washed it. I had a bunch of water just everywhere, on the floor, on the counters, and I had one of my sons come bring me some towels. I had to eventually like just stand on this towel because like your girl was slipping and sliding. Like, I'm on my workout journey, and already, if you can see in these videos, I have knee brace on, and it's because I kind of hurt my knees. I have tendonitis in both my knees, many years of playing sports and just, you know, but anyways, yeah, this is very embarrassing. And I can't let it get like this again, because this is where we eat. This is where we get the nutrients in our bodies. And I don't need like my refrigerator just being dirty. So I think I'm going to do better at keeping up with it even more.
Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a and girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, hey, girls want girls. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey. Can I play a player, babe? I grew up with Dre and Faith. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to pay my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. And you gon' take it, tryna block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I only five with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, where we both from. Hey, and you just got to Miami, need hotel room. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot in 42, cause you, hey, you throwing on that dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out of shit that you done been through. Yeah, texting me and say I need to see you. I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out of shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a leave, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, girls want girls, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from. My girl got a girlfriend. They tryna be out of shape. What's up on them curls? In the gym, I'm working surgery. I pay for that, my courtesy. Can imagine no curving me. I put in that work overly. I handle business. And I got two pretty. Keep them up on fleek. They got matching beans and matching AP. Now they can really call each other twins. I'm cool with all the owners. They love me. So they gon' let us in and bring all of your peers to look better with more people. We got 1942 Casamigos and getting hit. They gotta follow us in the Uber. My car feel no way through the city. Lights, camera, action when you with us. It's a movie. I don't try my cool to house parties. I'm tryna leave with you on. Don't nobody know that we do. She like he ain't pretty. I'm like me too. I can't wait to get out work. You going to see you. Please bring your girlfriend along with you. Coming on my mind too much. Like what the f is wrong with me? She said it's something about the way a girl just makes her feel. Whatever you been dreaming about, I swear to make it real. Run around the town with me, then come lay down. I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out of shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a and girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, hey, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. But I know you wanna roll with gang. And I know you wanna find a thing. Asking me about settling down. But you know that things are going my way.
All right, so I am done cleaning everything. It took a while, but I kind of sped it up for you guys. And this is just the aftermath of everything that's in my refrigerator. I feel like we have a lot of condiments. I've told my husband this plenty of times, but the crazy thing is we are condiment people. We will put some sauce on some sauce. Like it's crazy. Like I always think that every time I open up the refrigerator because all our condiments are pretty much on the door. But it's like we eat all this. Like this is where I'm showing you guys the meat. I can't really read out the date, but I think it might have been expired by a month. But it didn't stink or anything, just because, like I said, it was frozen from the position of where it was. But anyways, back to these condiments. Do you guys eat a lot of condiments? I know some people really don't, but like, why do we have so many? I think we can cut down on a few, but it's so many people in this house and everybody likes different things. So I don't really know how I'm gonna do that. But I guess I'm gonna just leave it alone. I would just love to be an aesthetic girl. Right now, I am totally the opposite. And right now, I'm just in a mode that is if it makes sense and it works, we're just gonna keep it that way. But I love the show, The Home Edit. I'm really sad that they canceled it. But I do follow the women on like Instagram, and I just love the way they do things. I like the way they color code things, label things, and have things like, by size and stuff. I would love to do that with my pantry and my refrigerator, but I'm in survival mode. So if it works, it works. I kind of don't have too much of free time to do that. And yeah, like my refrigerator, it's gonna look better than it did, but it's not gonna pretty much it might not look good to everybody, but it works. Uh, you reached the end of this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more cleaning videos. And I am gonna do better at my weight loss journey, but stay tuned for more videos. See you later. Bye.